Well, I finally found a 7-Eleven that has it, that I can get it, and I'm going to get it. And I'm pretty excited. See how it goes. Let's let it a little bit down first. Okay. Here it goes. Oh, yeah. This is going to be tasty. All right, we got it. Sugar-free. And see if it's just as good as the other one. I didn't mind the Coke Oreo. I like the Oreos with the Coke flavor better. So we'll see how it goes. I like it. It has Coke taste, has that chocolate taste. It goes good. I think better with this in the icy form than it does in the pop. It tastes pretty sweet even though it's 0 sugar. Now, this is a limited edition flavor, so if you want to try it quick. Not all 7-Elevens have it. I seen one in Bartow that had it, but I didn't have time to get it. And then I went to another one somewhere else, and he didn't have it. Luckily, this particular 7-Eleven did. It's not too bad. It's just kind of weird, but good, though. I definitely recommend trying it. A chocolate Coke. They go good together, surprisingly. All right, that's it. Any comments or questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye.